In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Amazon affiliate link to Shopify. This is a simple way to place your Amazon affiliate tracking link in a Shopify page, so when customers click through, you can receive credit based on your affiliate setup. To begin, open your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, find the option for Online Store. When you click Online Store, you are telling Shopify that you want to make changes related to what customers see on your storefront. This is the right starting point because affiliate links need to be placed inside your website theme or on a specific section of your pages. Next, click Edit Theme. This step opens the theme editor, which is where you can customize how your pages look and behave. Take a moment to confirm you are in the theme that is currently active on your store, since the changes you make here are the ones your visitors will see. Now you need to open the page where you want the link. In the theme editor, look for the specific template or page you intend to update, such as a product page, a blog post template, or another content page. Go ahead and open that area so you are working in the correct spot. Choosing the right page matters because you want the affiliate link to appear exactly where you intend. Once that page is open, click Add Section. This will allow you to insert a new block or component into the page layout. Shopify uses sections to let you place content in flexible ways, so adding a new section is a clean and organized method for including your link. After you click Add Section, you will see a list of available section types. For this method, you want to choose Custom Liquid. This option is designed for inserting custom code or custom content. In this case, you will use it to add your affiliate link in the exact format you need. Minterbrüchen poik in the Thrabias point UABRD Savraz. At this point, you are ready to add your Amazon affiliate link. Look for the input area inside the Custom Liquid section. Carefully paste your Amazon affiliate link into the correct field. Make sure you are pasting the full link, including the entire address portion, so the tracking will work properly. Also, double-check that the link matches what you want to promote, since affiliate links are tied to your tracking details. After the link is added, you should verify that it appears in the editor correctly. While you do not need to fully preview everything yet, it helps to confirm that the link text or code was pasted as expected. This quick check can save time if you need to adjust anything before publishing. Finally, click Save. This is the step that applies your changes. Shopify will update the theme or section with the new custom liquid content you added. Depending on your store settings, you may also want to preview the page to ensure the affiliate link displays the way you expect. But the key action is saving so the change becomes official. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.